Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change text font color in a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now I'll change this text font size for this text box. Firstly click on this text box and select, and here you will visible this three dot option. Click here. Now select edit option. And again double click on this text box. Now see this mouse cursor showing. You can drag your mouse, you can select a specific text. I'll just select this line and click this three dot option, and here you will find this color option, font color. I'll make it black color, and I'll make this line white color. I see this. Also make this line. Also you can add pick custom color and this add custom color here. You can choose any color here. Now select OK and see this. Again add this color. And OK, and see this. In this you can change a text color, and finally select save and close. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.